Good evening, and this is an introduction to elasticity. And the first question you ask is, what is elasticity? Elasticity is a measure of how much buyers and sellers respond to changes into market conditions. Now, you've seen this graph right here. This is the graph we're talking about the entire term, and it displays demand and supply. We're going to Elasticity is a concept that can apply to both demand and supply. There are different types of elasticity: price elasticity, which is what we're going to focus on, but there's also cross price elasticity, income elasticity, supply elasticity. All elasticity is it measures the degree to which the law of demand or the law of supply applies. For example, if the price of gasoline doubled tomorrow, what would you do? Well, if you're like me, you would cuss, rant and rave, raise Cain, and go out and buy the gas you need. What about the price of hot dogs doubled tomorrow? Well, that's an easy fix. You just don't buy hot dogs anymore. So elasticity helps us to determine how much the law of demand and supply applies to a particular product. The demand line does not always have to look like a straight unilinear line. Demand lines can be flexible. They can be inverse, outverse, or whatever. They are shaped in different ways, and they are shaped the way they are in large part due to the concept of elasticity. In other words, if the price of a good is low, consumers respond in one way than they do if the price is high. And if the good we're talking about is a necessity, such as oil, they respond in a different way than they do if it's a luxury, such as hot dogs or ice cream or something like that. So demand elasticity measures the degree to which the law of demand or the law of supply apply to a particular good or service. And we're going to talk about how to measure it, how to calculate it, and what it looks like on a graph, and why it's important for you to understand this. So, with that being said, let's have a good week. And I hope you do well. Have a good one now. Thank you.